Okay, this is a video of an Evenflow box fan. I believe it was made in the 70s or 80s. It's brown tan. It's a 3-speed and it's a nice one. And it has damage on the back of the back grill, and I'll turn it on so you can see it. And it has a cool handle on the back. There ain't one on the top. All you do is okay, let me show you. There's a handle. You hold it right here, and the back feet are missing on it, but I don't have to worry about it. Still does a good job pushing out a good amount of air. And I like the middle part right here, and that. And where it says the speed on it, it looks like wood right here and right here. It looks like wood, which I think is awesome. And I'll turn it on so you can see it. It vibrates, so it just vibrates on all the speakers. Showing the back. That's where the damage is at, right here. There's some slight damage. Also use 4 screws on it to hold the back. One of the parts are broken on it, but I hope you enjoyed the video.